Hi guys, my name is Moti from Athletic Health, and today we're going to take split to a pancake. In order to improve our side split, we really have to start small, and small means bending the knees. So first thing I'm doing is checking where my pelvis is. Think that the pelvis is like a ball, and you can move the ball all sides, and you can do it with straight legs, but if you can't do it with straight legs, then you bend the knees as much as you need, so you feel that the stomach goes in and out, hips, tailbone goes in and out. I'm here at as much movement as I can. I'm still not static, I'm still really moving. And guys, enjoy this part because it's not going to be fun next. So when we push ourselves to the end, it's always painful, but now I'm not. So make sure that you're not immediately suffering. It's not the point. First thing, I'm grabbing my legs with my hands and pushing, trying to straighten the back. Look from the side. So I'm trying to straighten the back as much as I can and bend it, and straighten back and bending it. Slowly it can happen when my legs are a bit straighter, and if not, then I continue at the point where I can move. So if I'm straighten my legs more and that's it, I can't move too much, I'll do less, but feel that I can move. I can take one buttocks back and trying to straighten one leg, and one buttocks back and straighten the other. But basically the main idea, when you're a beginner and you cannot tilt your pelvis, you still want to grab the legs. So grabbing the legs, enabling elongating the lower back. And the hamstring are still flexing a little bit, right? Not like here, but a little bit. So don't let the hamstrings block you. Don't let the thighs, the back thighs, block you. Continuing with our side split. So I'm not collapsing, super active. Starting to move. Taking the heel up. Other side. Taking the heel up, no, long neck. And then, if I can reach with my hands and start moving back and forth. Keeping the knees straight. And lowering more and more. And when I stop breathing, I take it back and release. I want to emphasize one thing which is super critical, and the difference between flexibility and active flexibility, or some call it active range of motion. So I'll give you a very simple example. What is my flexibility, my shoulder flexibility? How much can I open my shoulder? I can see here. I can see if I'm doing a down dog, I can see that I really can open my shoulder more than 180 degrees. Right? But that's my flexibility. My active flexibility, or my real range of motion, is what I can do without help or assistance from gravity. In this case, is what I can do here. So you can see that the range is limited, is much smaller than when my hands were on the floor. So that's my active flexibility. I can move here, right? And that's, you can call it passive flexibility, although I'm not 100%. So same thing with splits, god damn it. So how can you check your active flexibility in your side split or front split in general, what we can do is see how much we can lift one leg when we're standing on one leg while we're active. So this is active flexibility compared to, I don't know, something which is much more passive. So I see how much I can do when I'm on one standing leg and the other leg goes up. It could either point or flex, but you want to really be active. Next step is taking our front split to a pancake. So we were moving our pelvis back and forth like a ball. And if I can't do that, I can try it with bent knees. But if I can do it only with bent knees, then pancake is just too much for me now. So you have to have bent knees and be able to move the pelvis back and forth. After you notice that the pelvis can go back and forth, you straighten the back and try to go down as much as you can, assisted with the toes, with the fingers. So fingers assist, super active in the thighs, in the back thighs, in the hamstrings. Core is activated, navel is in, and I'm trying to reach with my chest back to the floor while the legs are very active. Tail goes out. Notice my bounciness. My bounciness helps me to breathe and to suffer less. And releasing. I'll try to open up a bit more. And going down. And going down. Yes, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you with your side splits.